Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you one of the most popular shears in the country, Accurshear. It's a very, very popular machine. They make brakes and shears. We carry a lot of different ones used. They're very, very nice machines. Really a good bang for your buck. This is a 2006 3/8 over 12-foot hydraulic shear. I'll go ahead and cycle it a few times for you. Now, being that it's a hydraulic shear, we can adjust our stroke length. For instance, if we were just cutting a piece like this and we just wanted to have it come down rather than going the entire stroke, we can drop this stroke control down. And you can see it's a quick cut right here. Go halfway. You'll see the blade here to the halfway mark. Now it has a really easy back gauge to work. Hit 10 inches, go 2. It's going to shoot that back gauge to 10 inches. As soon as you put your material in, you'll hear that clank. You'll know you're at that 10-inch mark, and then you can go ahead, step on the pedal, and you're ready to go. I'm going to complete this stroke length and let it cycle a few times just so you can hear it. You'll see all the hold downs coming down. It's got a ball transfer table, make it really easy for you to move that 3/8 by 12-foot plate. You got a nice corner right here. You get a nice square arm, very nice easy cuts. With that in the back gauge, you put it right in, you should have no issues. Nice hydraulic shear if you're looking for a new or used, if you want to trade something, if you have something in your place that you've been looking to get rid of, give us a call. Let's see if we can get you into something better. 626-444-0311. Or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.